Hey guys, just wanted to do a kind of a product spotlight. So we just re-released the Retro V. This is called the Retro V 2.0. So this is a zero downforce car. So it's not a magnet car. It does have motor magnets, but it's not a magnet car.
Hey, dog.
Except Sadie. So, but there is some things that we have changed. So we've improved the motor magnet and the motor magnet holder design. We also added the 2.0 box weights and a brass independent front end. So I have, we're gonna do some track testing on it today, just comparison. This is a Viper Jet. So this still would be considered a magnet car because the motor magnets do give the car more than 1 G of downforce. So if the car went up, the car could go upside down. Whereas this car, it has absolutely nothing. These definitely can benefit from more weight, but we are selling them now without a body as well. So you guys can put any body you want on them. I love driving them with a AFX body or an Auto World body on them, like a hard body. It really loves that extra weight of the heavy body, but we'll give it some runs here. So we have the timing system set up, and we're just gonna kind of show some characteristics of the car. As you can hear, it's very, very quiet. I mean, it is like dead silent. And it definitely has punch. So it can snap the rear end loose. I mean, I'm barely on the throttle. Like, we're barely giving it throttle. You can see it spins out. This is what a lot of people say that they want. So this is what we made. And it's a pretty fun drive. It definitely has some wiggle to it. So pretty cool setup. They're a blast. Obviously play around with tire sizes and whatnot. Comes with a 342 front and a 432 rear. We've seen guys, do all kinds of stuff with those, but we ran 395 was our best lap. So obviously the Viper Jet is gonna be a lot faster because it does have traction magnets. It has motor magnets. So right there, I mean, we already went a second faster, and I probably could go even faster. I mean, this is without traction magnets, so this still has the weights in it. But for this, for this video, we're just showing how much slower and more kind of wild the Retro V 2.0 is. They always, for some reason, because the car doesn't have the speed, it just doesn't tend to shed dirt off the tires like it would if it was faster. But let's reset this real quick. Okay, and I'm pretty sure if I drive this thing harder, I can definitely get a better lap out of it than earlier. So 3.5 that time. And I mean, it's, if you want to video my finger, Sam, I'm having to drive the heck out of this car. Obviously it could improve, being smoother would be better. This is a very budget controller. And this is a relatively small track, but you could see best lap that time, 3.4. So it's roughly a second or so and a half slower than the Viper Jet. This is a 30-foot lap track. Actually, no, this isn't a 30-foot. I think this thing's only like 23 foot. So on a bigger track, 46-foot track, that'd be like a 4x12-ish. You're looking at about 3 seconds. Wait. Yeah, about 3 seconds slower. Sorry, my math's not working in my head, but The point is that it is a lot slower. We recommend voltage between 10 and 12 volts. So if the track was big and it was swoopy and all kinds of stuff like that, you definitely could run higher voltage, but I always am letting guys know, like, if we put this thing on 18 volts, it's gonna be stupid. It's on 10 right now, and 10 volts, if we had a couple of guys racing and we are running it on 10 volts, this would actually be a lot of fun. It is allowing me to hit the throttle on short shoots and not have it be just explosive off the track, because there is a limit to what a human can react to. So, but it is a lot of fun. This is a Lexan body, obviously. You can put the clip on it, run Tyco bodies, anything like that, and it just gives you a lot of fun. I mean, as you can see, it's still really ripping around the track, but it is going sideways. I wouldn't say that it will hold a drift like a pancake will. And a lot of that is just because of the weight balance and the gyro effect of the pancake motor spinning this way and the inline motor spinning this way. It's different, it affects the car differently, but these are on the website. We love them. They are a ton of fun. You can do a lot of really good racing with them on a smaller track, where if you've tried the magnet cars before and you don't like them because it's too fast or there's just no rhythm on your particular track, check out the Retro V. And if you want kind of something in between, go for the Viper Jet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.